Toyota Alphard ANH10 install Cogoo CG8 4+64 and change 11.6 inch HDMI roof monitor. So this one got a RCA video in, RCA video out, and HDMI video in. USB extension, USB slot, add on a USB extension. We'll put in a drawer. Okay, this is for USB play video. For player, on a player to turn on a radio app. So the rear monitor to play video, USB video, and a front head unit can use for Waze or Google Maps for GPS. So this is dual screen, front and the roof monitor different screen. Okay, Android player, plug and play power socket. Cogoo CG8 4+64, 8-core processor, and built-in HDMI input output, HDMI power, HDMI video output. It's got a 2 4G SIM antenna, 4G antenna, and a 4G SIM card slot extension. It's got a 4G slot extension, 2 USB extension, a GPS antenna to detect your car location, and a 4G antenna left and right hand side. Got a 2 4G antenna. Bluetooth extension, Bluetooth mic input. Okay, Alphard ANH10 modified wiring. A bypass amplifier to connect a radio, to connect the audio. Okay, and add-on 4 camera to connect 360. Left hand side camera, a front camera, a right hand side camera, and a rear camera. So 4 camera can become a 360 Birdview parking camera. Google Maps, a Z-Link for Carplay and Android Auto, video file, radio and USB music, 5.1 DTS DSP setting, okay, split screen, a left right screen. Power socket plug and play. Okay, and audio output modified wiring to bypass the amplifier to connect original speaker and a woofer. Okay, let me show you for the original speaker. Okay, after bypass sound system. Original speaker, original tutor, and a center speaker, and under seat subwoofer. All can work after bypass the amplifier. Setting. So turn on Wi-Fi, connect your phone hotspot for internet or network. Insert the 4G SIM card, get online signal. Bluetooth, pairing with your phone Bluetooth, you can change your device name. After pairing, you can answer call directly from the player. And a mic input from here. Get more clear sound input. A common setting. Factory password 8888. So you can change your boot logo. Common keys. This is a calibrate study or styling control setting. Set your styling control. Okay. Software version Android 11 2012 December. Okay, Qualcomm 2.2 8-core processor. The screen resolution 1280x720. Real QLED screen. 8-core processor 4+64. So this is Android GPS. Cogoo CG8 4+64 HDMI with 360 and 11.6-inch roof monitor. Installed by OneBiz. Our shop in Seri, Kembangan, Balakong. Thank you.